And the water is really overflowed here on this ditch here by Lake Lynn Park. See if we can go into the lake and see water already. Well, this entrance is totally flooded. Won't be able to get into the Lake Lynn this way, because I am pretty sure that is deep. So we'll have to go back around, see if I can go in the other side. Ducks have came out here. What a mess. This water will get higher too. Well, there'll be no bike riding here at Lake Lynn this weekend. I'll see if I can drop in what this looks like. This is a picture I took, or video, of sleet earlier this year. This is a walkway with railings, a wooden walkway that goes all the way to the end over there. See if I can insert that in here. But Lake Lynn is totally flooded. I couldn't even get in on the railroad side. This is a sailboat bay side, I guess you could say. Let's go down to this other walkway, which I'm sure I can't get to. This is not far where I was just at. I'm going to see if I can walk around here. I really want to get to that other bridge at the very end of the lake here. Everything is flooded. And this is at the 1 1/4 mile marker here at Lake Lynn, to give you an idea of people who are familiar with this area or where I'm at here. So across that, and we'll go down a little further this next walkway. Well, this is as far as I'll be able to go. It is just totally flooded. And this is going to take a while for this water to go down, but you go down there a little further to the right, over there, and then it bears to the left. There's a walkway that goes around the end of this lake back to the other side. And I am sure those railings, you can't see those either. This is typically what happens to Lake Lynn when we have a lot of rain like we did today, 5 inches. And this probably will get a bit higher before it goes down. Here's another totally flooded walkway here at Lake Lynn. You can see the railings at the top here, but it connects all the way down where you see that apartment building there. I imagine I was able to find some dry path here to get to this far by going through some apartment complexes. But this may be as far as I'm going to go. Oh, there's people on the other end. So you get an idea how far that is. That's where I want to be, where they're at, so I can go to the dam, but there's just no easy way. Hello? Come on over! totally flooded.